Hi, I'm Storm Checker 18 meteorologist Jess Langlois. After a pleasant start to the week, we had sunshine, temperatures near average. We are going to see things going in the other direction, more winter-like and messy. Now, this is for Tuesday. Our biggest chances to see any wintry precipitation this week. You'll notice there are winter weather advisories up for Wisconsin, but they don't include the Chippewa Valley. Those are in effect for areas La Crosse, Stevens Point, Point South, not the Chippewa Valley, and here's why. As we go through the rest of tonight, we will see clouds increasing between now and a little after midnight is when we'll really start to see that cloud cover increasing. The chance for snow showers develops overnight into the early hours of Tuesday morning, and you'll see snow showers present anywhere from Minnesota all the way down into Wisconsin, but the heaviest bands of snow are expected to be in southern Wisconsin, especially at the onset of snow here. And those are going to be the areas that have the most moisture to work with this system. As we go into the rest of Tuesday, we will see snow and the heavier bands pushing further to the north. Also, we'll start to see precipitation beginning to change over from snow to mix or even some rain. That process starts from south to north. So as we head into the middle of Tuesday, we should still be snow here, and we'll also have to watch very carefully where these heavier bands of snow set up. The bulk of those expected to stay south of Eau Claire, but depending on how we see things play out, those could shift a little bit further north into areas like Buffalo, Trempealeau, Jackson, potentially even Clark counties, resulting in some higher totals there through the afternoon. So again, we'll have to watch that very closely. A small shift in that could impact totals, especially south of Eau Claire. We do see snow showers mainly south of and along Highway 29, especially through the afternoon hours, and then we will be seeing any residual precipitation beginning to transition over to a mix, potentially some rain as well for us. We could see a few light showers through Wednesday, although the bulk of any impactful precipitation would be falling during the day tomorrow. So in terms of totals, we're looking at the highest totals in south and central Wisconsin. Those areas, even though they're likely going to see that change over to mix or rain sooner in the day, they're going to have those stronger bands earlier in the day of snow to deal with. That means areas of south central Wisconsin could see widespread 2 to 4 inches, isolated higher totals there. And then as we get into areas of the Chippewa Valley, getting through Buffalo, Trempealeau, Jackson, Clark counties, we could be seeing those totals in the 1 to 2 inch range. Isolated higher totals closer to 3 inches possible if we do see those stronger bands push further north before we see things transition over to rain or snow. Also, how soon we see any transition over to a mix or rain will impact totals as well. For the Eau Claire area, we're looking at anywhere between a trace, so not much snow at all, up to about an inch. Again, isolated higher possible if we see some more intense snow, make it a little further north. Areas north of Eau Claire, probably going to be on the lower end of that range. Probably won't see all too much accumulation tomorrow, but we will be looking at still the potential for some slippery roads out of all of this. So definitely, no matter what, if you're planning on having to be on the road tomorrow, want to take a little bit of extra time and drive carefully. So one thing we're going to be watching tomorrow is the placement of those heavier bands of snow, but also the temperatures. We should see temperatures rising a little bit throughout the day to get us above freezing, so that's going to mean that we could see some of that change over to wintry mix, potentially some freezing rain or sleet briefly mixing in, possibly transitioning over to some rain as well. Tonight we'll see temperatures rise a little bit over the course of the night at closer to that freezing mark by early Tuesday morning. Mostly cloudy, but we will be seeing that chance for snow showers developing by the early morning hours. Tomorrow we have that snow, especially through the first half of the day into the afternoon. Chance for mixing with some rain or winter or freezing rain later on in the day as well. But for the rest of the week, aside from perhaps a lingering sprinkle in the early part of Wednesday and lingering cloud cover, things are calmer for Wednesday, but just in time for Thanksgiving, we see sunshine come back out. Temperatures will be above average in the mid-40s. We hold on to some nice weather through the first half of the weekend. Black Friday as well, we're in the 40s, plenty of sunshine. We do see some chances for light snow returning Sunday, drying out again Monday. So really the biggest hiccup in this forecast is tomorrow. Aside from that, our Thanksgiving week is looking pretty sweet.